If you've been frustrated dealing with gnats and fruit flies, mosquitoes, or annoying bugs, and you'd like a non-toxic, affordable way to get rid of them, check out this Wild Catch review. Shout out to this company called Wild Catch. They sent me this really cool product that you can find on Amazon. And what this is a flying insect light trap. This is what it looks like. So it comes with a glue card that goes on the back of it, and it has like a UV, like LED type of light, and it attracts the flying insects to it, so they're not just around your fruit, in your home, around your trash, or just, you know, being super annoying. This is a 7-day-a-week and 24-hour continuous catch. So it's going to be working non-stop as long as you have it plugged in. It catches fruit flies, house flies, gnats, and more. Let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. So first thing first, they give you some instructions. So it basically tells you how to use it, how to set it up, how to add the glue card, how to replace the glue card once it's full. So this is very, very plug and play and very simple. We're going to figure this out together. Oh, this is big. Let me zoom out some. This is big. Okay. I didn't know it was going to be this massive. Okay, so this is going to catch all type of bugs. Okay. And then this is the device that will be plugging in. I'm guessing the light is going to be here. This is the actual plug piece. Okay. Let's see here. What else is in here? Okay. So this is what the refill pieces look like. So this particular one comes with 4 glue cards. So it looks like there's already a glue card on here. Let me just double check. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it comes with the first glue card in already. So what you have to do, oh, this is very simple. Before I pull that off, let me just, okay, so let me just show you. You will have this part at the going down at the bottom where you see the 3 holes at. Can you see those 3? Okay. You slide the card inside, and then what you'll do is you'll pull this backing sheet up and pull it off. I just want to see how to, oh, and it plugs right in. Okay. So I'm going to pull that off, plug this in, and then we're going to plug it in the wall, and we're going to leave it for a couple days, and then we'll come back and see what happened. So let's go ahead and pull this off. All right, now we're ready. We're ready to catch some fruit flies, house flies, gnats, and more. So let's go. Okay, we locked and we loaded. Okay, so I'm going to plug this up right here in the kitchen. I'll show you how it looks once the light is off. Okay, all the lights are off. This is how it looks once it's plugged in. So the bugs are going to be attracted to the light. They're going to be attracted to it, and hopefully it'll catch some gnats and stuff. We really have gnats quite a bit. We have bananas. It's something about bananas, y'all. I think that's like their favorite fruit, but really any type of fruit, but bananas is like the #1. So we're just going to leave this here, and we're going to see what happens. Okay, so I've had this Wild Catch plugged in for a few weeks. Now we're going to go ahead and take it off and see what we have. Okay, so I just took it off the wall, and this is how it looks. This is the size of it. You just slide that right down. And let's see here. So I want to make sure you can see it. And you pull it out. Oh, I want you to be able to see it on the white background. So we do have some gnats on here. Let's see. Well, you know what? Let me just leave it in here because I want you to be able to see it better. Because it's transparent, so I want you to see. Let's get zoomed in there. So we definitely have something on there. We have some gnats here. I think we may have a little mosquito on here, a fruit fly, and then towards the bottom there's at least 3 or 4 at the bottom. So this does work. This helps you to eliminate those pesky, annoying fruit flies, gnats, any type of bug, mosquitoes, anything that comes across here that you just don't want to have around. This will definitely help you get rid of those. Again, this is Wild Catch. Thank you so much, Wild Catch, for sending this out to me. And there are some extras in here. I'm going to leave this up a little bit longer because it's still plenty of room to catch more. So this does work. It says it's non-chemical, it's 1 device, 4 glue cards, and I will have a link to where you can purchase this Wild Catch device. And again, it plugs in. It has like a nice little light on it, so it also kind of serves as like a LED lamp. It serves as like a LED night light, so it has like a little nice little blue light to it. These are the refills. They're nice and big and wide. And then I have 3 more. Very spacious, very easy to use. Wild Catch is available on Amazon. And they have different ones. Maybe you can get 2 in a pack. And then if you need the refills, you just go ahead and go back on there and you get the refills. This Wild Catch insect flying light trap retails on Amazon for $9.99. I will have a link available in the description if you're interested in purchasing this light flight trap. Thanks again, Wild Catch. Hey guys, check out my website, myroyalradiance.com, and there's always a coupon code available with a special discount, Royal Beauty 10 off. Use it today. We have some updated styles of luxury inspired faux leather fabric, and when you buy 3 sheets of fabric, you'll get the 4th one free of charge. They also have these beautiful iron-on patches available and these beautiful planner charms that are so versatile. You can use these to decorate your cell phone cases, compact mirrors, or you can turn these into brooches or croc charms. More beautiful sparkly gold iron-on patches for your Crocs or denim jackets, and the latest item we have are the brooches for the slouch socks. We also have luxury inspired Crocs charms. Iron-on transfers are also available. Check out our website, see our tactical defense, where we do have in-waistband gun holsters, belly bands, magnetic holsters, and a lot more. You can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Life is a Whole Vibe. Bye-bye.